Do I have to talk English to everyone? If you wanna help me, everyone need talk in English. I think this is the best target for Levi. If you think you use Levi, and sometimes I think, what is the best target? It's Levi, that's using the zombie, it's really good. Oh, Blight Bomb? Fuck. Do you think has another light bomb? Bro, trade, he gonna trade back, right? 3-3, I trade. Or I can use this, boom, and I can trade. Or I can... Yeah, it's the only play. Or I use this. Maybe. If I use this, it'll be 5-4 and 5-4. 3. You're gonna be need forced to choose this. It's not bad.
Oh man, that is such a.
No, he still can't. Ares Race. Thanks for the subscriber. 1 year. I turned to teach English, but I never teach English. I was learning with all the chat. This was the point. We had class together. I can't teach something that I'm not, like, I really don't know. See, he put himself in so a bad position. Now it's I'm not gonna say it's game because I always focus, but you're gonna see the monster that is coming. If he can't kill the shit, it's game. I hope he doesn't have another blight bomb. Oh, 6 mana? No way. No way someone has this shit in the deck. Oh my freaking god. Boom! Let's go. I love it. Was such a nice play would be. Ah. Oh, this is nice. This is maybe have a chance. Right. With this get here, it's boom. Yes. Yes, baby. Is this what I'm talking about? Let's go. Okay. Oh, fuck. He has all the answers. It's fine. It's fine. This needs to stop, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Archpriest of Parton. Answer this. Oh, and okay, more one try. Let's go, baby. Answer this. He has all the answers. The fucking holy game. Fuck. No, 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 no. I can't. No, no, no. Who run this shit in this deck? Bro, the guy got all the perfect curve against me.